Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we explore Africa's past, present, and the bold steps it's taking into the future. Now let me hit you with a question. Did you know that right now, in South Africa, some shoppers are using high-tech smart trolleys? Yes, actual shopping carts with touchscreens, scanners, and built-in payment systems. Yep. No checkout lines, no cashier queues. Just grab, scan, and roll. And it's not happening in Silicon Valley. It's happening in Cape Town, right inside Checkers supermarkets, part of the Shoprite Group, Africa's largest grocery retailer. Let's dive into this, because this is a glimpse into what shopping could look like across the continent. What's actually happening? So here's the deal. The Shoprite Group, which owns the Checkers brand, recently launched something called Extra Express Smart Trolleys, currently in 2 pilot stores, Checkers Hyper Brackenfell, which is near ShopRite's head office in the Western Cape. Checkers Stellenbosch, a busy student town known for its mix of tech and tradition. As of now, there are about 20 of these smart trolleys being tested between the 2 stores. It started as a staff-only pilot, meaning only employees could use them. But recently, real customers have been invited to try them out. How does it work? Okay, so let's break it down. Imagine you walk into Checkers with one of these futuristic trolleys. It's not just a metal cart. This thing is equipped with a built-in touchscreen tablet, has a barcode scanner, uses Wi-Fi to connect to the store's product database, and includes a card reader to process payment right from the trolley. Here's how your trip might go. You grab a smart trolley at the entrance. As you shop, you simply scan each product's barcode using the trolley scanner. Every item you scan shows up on the screen, with the price, product name, and even a running total of your cart's value. You can also search for items or even get in-aisle navigation, like, need peanut butter? Head to aisle 4. Done shopping? You don't head to the checkout lanes. Nope. You just tap pay right on the trolley screen, swipe or tap your bank card, and walk out. No queues, no cashier, no scanning again at the register. Done. This is called frictionless shopping, and it's already big in places like China and parts of Europe. But now, it's being made African. Why this matters? Here's where it gets interesting. A report from Deloitte found that checkout speed is one of the top 3 frustrations for African urban shoppers. And in South Africa alone, the average person spends 10-15 minutes just waiting in line during peak hours. Multiply that by millions of people every week, and you're looking at tens of thousands of wasted hours. Now imagine this. If just 25% of Checkers shoppers eventually adopt smart trolleys, and each person saves 10 minutes per trip, that could equal over 2 million hours saved annually, just in South Africa. That's more time for work, family, or rest. Plus, there's a hidden benefit: live price awareness. In countries battling inflation, South Africa hit around 6% inflation recently. Knowing your total spend as you shop helps people budget better in real time. That's not just tech, it's financial empowerment. Could this expand across Africa? Here's the fun what if. ShopRite operates in 11 African countries, including Namibia, Angola, Zambia, and Nigeria. If the Smart Trolley project works in Cape Town, it could easily expand to other urban centers. In fact, according to ShopRite's 2024 annual report, digital innovation and customer experience are top investment priorities. So yeah, don't be surprised if you see smart carts rolling into Lagos or Lusaka in the next few years. Does it matter? Short answer, absolutely. It's empowering. It encourages a new vision for the continent. It sparks curiosity and may encourage other entrepreneurs to push to the next level. And let's be honest, stories like this reframe Africa in the global imagination. It's not just about problems. It's about innovation, adaptation, and leadership in everyday life. Final thought. So next time someone says Africa is behind, you can tell them, actually, South Africa is piloting cashierless smart trolleys, just like Amazon Go, but tailored to African shoppers, African prices, and African priorities. And who knows? Maybe the next retail revolution won't come out of Silicon Valley, but out of Cape Town. If you found this story interesting, drop a comment. Would you use a smart trolley? And share this with someone who still thinks Africa isn't innovating. And of course, subscribe for more real stories about Africa's past, present, and bold future.